Good evening, everybody. So I thought I'll just show you my nighttime routine na I normally drink before I go to bed. So actually, I don't drink this every night. Siguro mga 4 times a week lang. Ito siya. So isang pakete nito. Ito pala yung Berry Glow by CC. Yung detox nila, detox drink. So ito siya. It comes in 10 sachet dito sa isang bag. And here in Australia, you can buy it for $29, yung isang bag na ganito. And then I also add a small teaspoon of collagen dito. But if I'm drinking coffee or hot chocolate sa morning, I do add 2 of these kasi yung hot drink walang collagen. Whereas ito yung Berry Glow, meron na siyang glutathione and collagen na siya at the same time. So you don't need more than this. So ito yun. Ito lang siya. So ito yung combination nila. Yeah. So and then nilalagay ko lang siya sa isang glass na ganito. And then I put cold water. But then sometimes I like to add ice kasi I like to drink it really cold ba. So yeah, I'll show you guys. So ganito lang. So add it in there and then put some water. And then I don't put too much kasi I just put half lang kasi malaking it's a big glass. So I just put half lang siya kasi I will add ice. I will add ice later. Pero ang sarap niya, it's yummy, very yummy yung juice. Hindi ka masasawa or yeah, something like that. Pero yeah, ang sarap niya. And it helps me go to bed. Yung sleep ko parang mahimbing sa gabi, which is nice kasi you know, if you're a mom, you must rest sa gabi, di ba? Para may energy ka the next day. So ito siya. But normally I put ice kasi I like it really cold. But I'll get ice soon. So kumuha lang ako ng ice. Kasi I like it really cold. Yummy. So yeah. So ito pala yung pure collagen.